What if I told you that in 2025, you could travel the world without spending a fortune? Sounds unreal, right? But here's the truth. Some countries are willing to pay for your trip. But why? Well, tourism is big business. Many destinations are recovering from past declines, while others want to attract digital nomads and long-term visitors. From free flights and accommodations to actual cash rewards, these places are offering once-in-a-lifetime travel deals. So, which countries will cover your travel costs this year? Let's dive in. 1. New Zealand, the digital nomad's paradise. Imagine working remotely while surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. New Zealand just launched a brand new visitor visa for digital nomads. Starting in 2025, you can live and work in New Zealand for up to 90 days, with no minimum income requirement. This means you can experience the stunning landscapes, enjoy local culture, and even apply for extended stays. With high-speed internet, co-working spaces, and adventure at every turn, this is a dream destination for remote workers. 2. Portugal, cash rewards and work benefits. Portugal is a top incentive travel destination for 2025. Whether you're a digital nomad, a traveler, or part of a work retreat, Portugal offers cashback rewards for group stays, tax breaks for remote workers, and discounts on long-term rentals. Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve are hotspots for visitors looking to explore, work, and enjoy some of Europe's best food and scenery. 3. South Korea, free travel programs and no visa fees. Good news for travelers. South Korea has waived the KETA, Korea Electronic Travel Authorization, fees for visitors from 22 countries until the end of 2025. But that's not all. South Korea also runs travel sweepstakes where lucky winners get fully paid trips, covering flights, hotels, and tours. So if you've ever wanted to explore K-pop culture, Korean cuisine, and stunning landscapes, now is the time. 4. Albania, free accommodation for tourists. Albania is one of Europe's best-kept secrets, and in 2025, they're offering free stays at select hotels to attract more tourists. With gorgeous beaches, affordable food, and rich history, Albania is a budget traveler's paradise, and now, with free accommodation, it's an even better deal. 5. Ireland, remote work, grants, and travel discounts. Ireland isn't just about castles and Guinness, it's also a hot spot for remote workers. In 2025, Ireland is rolling out programs that cover flight costs, co-working space fees, and accommodation subsidies for digital nomads. Plus, there are discounts on public transport and cultural attractions for long-term visitors. 6. Japan, free domestic travel and tourism deals. Japan is encouraging travelers to explore beyond Tokyo and Kyoto by offering free domestic travel packages in regions like Miyagi and Fukushima. Some visitors can even apply for fully funded trips, including free train passes, guided tours, and cultural experiences. If you've been dreaming of Japan, now is the perfect time to take advantage of these deals. 7. Mexico, digital nomad benefits and free perks. Mexico's digital nomad visa program is a game changer for travelers looking for an affordable yet exciting place to live and work. With low living costs, tax breaks, and extended stays, Mexico is becoming one of the best places for long-term travelers. Plus, cities like Mexico City, Playa del Carmen, and Tulum offer free events, cultural festivals, and networking opportunities. So, how do you take advantage of these amazing travel deals? Each country has its own application process. Some require simple online registrations, while others hold lotteries or have first-come, first-served programs. Be sure to check the official tourism websites for the latest updates and deadlines. Which of these travel perks are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you love travel content like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Travelpedia Guide, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the best travel hacks and destinations.